Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? I got a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and a customer's only complaint is they have a check engine light on, but they're going on a trip. He doesn't think there's anything bad going on with it, only because he said it didn't change how the car's driving. He didn't notice anything. He says everything seems fine, so he wants to check it out. It's a very good customer of ours. We've seen this car many times in the past, but let me show you a trick here on these certain Chryslers. Actually, I think it'll work on this. I'm not 100% positive, but let's find out. The key trick. Let's see. All right, actually, the steering wheel is kind of blocking what I want to see, so let me start this up. Feels like it's running fine. Just cut that down a little bit. All right, so what's the key trick? You take the key, and it only works with these keys. Well, any type of a blade key. It doesn't work if you have a push start. So you put the key in, and you know when you turn it to run, everything lights up like that. So you know everything's in the run position. So now what you do is, you're in run, you go off, on, off, on, off, on. PO 441. Then done. Okay. So let me shut the key off. I always take the key back out. Let me just do that one more time. So I'm going to go on, off, on, PO 441. So it's the only code that it's showing you there. But now I'm always curious. Curiosity always gets the best of me. I want to see if there's any more codes anywhere else. So now I'm going to start it up because it's hot out. And there you see the check engine light is on. I want to scan this thing. Now 2015 I think is pre where you have to hook up to the interrogator thing. I forgot. Now I can't for the life of me think what it's called. Let's find out. It's not an EV. It's not a DS. It is a Chrysler. Okay, Wrangler Sport 2015. Let's go to diagnostics or diagnosis. Like I said, this video is only to see what the check engine light is about. PO 441 is some kind of an emissions code. I'm not quite sure exactly what it is. Probably EVAP small leak or something like that. Important. Okay. So this thing for only a Wrangler can have the possibility of 15 different modules. So let's see. What do we actually have? So no TCM codes. It does have only one PCM code. Wireless control module has a code. Green means that that the system's good, there's no codes. Gray means that this vehicle's not equipped with it, but it could be equipped with it. So we're going to create a report. Okay. Come on. Problem is my Wi-Fi signal where I'm at is terrible, so sometimes that creates a problem. All right, let me let this do its thing, because if I'm far enough out from the Wi-Fi, it can actually lock up the computer because it's trying to search for Wi-Fi, but it just can't grab it. So I got to move the vehicle to another spot, and I may have to restart this process. But let me see what happens. Let me pause you. Okay, once I got close to the internet, then all of a sudden it went through. So I'm just going to email it to myself, because I always like to keep a copy of everything. So, yeah, PCM is really the only code I'm worried about. EVAP purge system performance. So I got to look that up, find out exactly what tests they want to do. But the customer just wanted to make sure that it's not something they're going to get stuck with. And with this, I'm pretty confident they're not going to get stuck with it. ECM mismatch with SCIM. That's with the security system. Not overly concerned about that because the car's starting and running no problem. Lost communication with radio. Well, it's because it's got an aftermarket radio. So, not concerned about any of this. But that one, yeah, that one we're going to have to address. But like I said, the customer's going to come back for that. They just wanted to know what was going on. So they knew they were okay for a road test, which that'll be fine. It's nothing to be concerned with in terms of, hey, it's going to break down. Never happened with that. So, all right. that's pretty much going to end this. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.